How to make money as a video editor 2023. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to make money as a video editor in 2023. We're going to discuss the different types of video projects that you can work on and give you some tips on how to get started. After watching this video, you will be ready to start editing your own videos and earning some money in the process. If you have any questions for us or want to share your experience with editing videos, please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is an excellent way to make money as a video editor. If you want to get started with this, you need first to create some videos that will attract viewers. Once established, you can start monetizing your content by placing ads on your videos. Lately, YouTube is around an $800 to $1,000 a month income stream for me, despite my pretty basic editing skills. You can also offer sponsorships to promote products or services on your channel. You can do this with just a camera, phone, and the right video editing software. If you're looking for a way to make money as a video editor on your own terms, starting a YouTube channel is one way to do it. After all, top YouTubers can earn thousands of dollars a day. Number 2. Freelance video editing. There are also thousands of people who want to make their own videos but don't know how or have the time or resources to do so. By offering your services as a freelance video editor, you can help them out. As a freelance video editor, you can pick and choose the projects that interest you and build up your reputation as an expert in your field. Freelancing is a great way to make money as an editor because it gives you complete control over what kinds of projects you take on and how much time you spend working on them. Many freelancers start on Fiverr or Upwork to build up a portfolio of work. In fact, I came across a fun story of a guy who essentially got paid to learn a new video editing software by offering to edit videos on Fiverr. If waiting for orders to come to you seems too slow, you can also proactively reach out to prospective customers. For example, you might send a note to YouTubers who aren't on TikTok and offer to help them splice up their videos for the shorter format. Number 3. Create a website and use it to advertise your services. Create an impressive portfolio of work so potential clients can see what you can do for them. The more samples you have, the better your chances of getting new jobs. You can also use your website to showcase your work, tell people about your services, and even put up testimonials from previous clients. Number 4. Make short videos for friends and family. If you want to get paid for your work, you need experience first. It's the classic chicken versus egg problem of freelancing. The easiest way to get experience is to practice editing videos for yourself, your friends, or your family. This can be anything from doing short clips of your dog playing fetch or your niece doing somersaults. Make sure that once you've made the video, that it's something someone would want to watch more than once. Number 5. Do video editing for non-profit organizations. One of the best ways to make money as a video editor is by working for non-profit organizations. These churches and charities often need help promoting their causes through video. It may not be the best paying work, but can be a way to build experience and your professional network. On top of that, you may even be able to get some publicity from working with such groups if they need their videos posted online or used in presentations and other public events. Number 6. Edit wedding videos. More than 2 million weddings happen every year, and many of those couples want a video to remember their special day. Even if you don't want to shoot the raw video at the wedding, you may be able to make money editing the footage. A professional videographer may charge $2,000 to $5,000 and is often willing to share some of their fee with a video editor. Reach out to local videographers to see how they currently handle their editing. Perhaps you could offer to take a stab at one event for free to prove yourself, and then work out a paid partnership. Documentary-style wedding videos are the most popular at the moment, which allow for a lot of creativity in putting together a fun and memorable experience. Number 7. Edit home videos for people. If you enjoy working with videos and have some basic skills, this is a great option that doesn't require much equipment or training. You can find people who want to hire someone to edit their home videos and offer your services on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You might also find work through Craigslist or other local classified ads. Many people like to record videos of their kids and family members doing different things. Still, they don't always have time or know how to edit them into something good-looking and professional. That's where you come in. You can offer your services as an editor for home videos. Number 8. Edit promotional videos for companies. People often hire professional editors when they want their promotional videos to stand out from the crowd. It's not enough to have a nice message these days. It has to look good too. If you're skilled at making videos look good, this is an excellent option for making money online as an editor. As a video editor, your main job will be to take footage captured by someone else, either through filming or photography, and edit it into a coherent piece of content. I hope you guys surely liked and enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.